So now I'm going to show you how to mince a jalapeno. I love to use minced jalapeno in a lot of my dishes, so I want to show you how I prepare that. So to do that, we're going to take off the ends. And you want to be careful too when you're working with jalapeno not to touch your face right after, because there is going to be heat transferred to your hands and then you're going to burn your face. So we cut this open and we want to take out the inside of this as well, including the seeds. Now, if you like spice, feel free to keep the seeds, but if you don't want it too hot, then remove those. And you always want to cut it with the inside up. So I'm going to cut it into very fine julienne. And then once you've done that, then we are going to create a very small dice, or in this case, a mince. And you can see that I'm rocking the knife back and forth. I'm not bringing it up and down like this. You want to rock it like this so that you have a lot more control. Here's our beautiful minced jalapeno.